My friends, you are welcome in this English YouTube class. I am teaching you the model. The next model is must. Use of must. When we use must, how we use must? Must is used for legal obligation. Legal obligation means that actions that are done एज ए रूल एज ए लॉ, जो कार्य कानून से जो नियमों के रूप में हमें करने पड़ते हैं, दैट इज लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन. लाइक द एम्प्लॉइज मस्ट कम इन टाइम बिकॉज दिस इज द रूल. द एम्प्लॉइज मस्ट अटेंड द मीटिंग. द कैंडिडेट मस्ट अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. The soldiers must keep the discipline. Anything that is a rule, we have to follow something as a rule. Legally we have to do, that is the legal obligation. Legal obligation means कानूनी रूप से नियमों के रूप से बाध्य होना किसी कार्य की, और जो कार्य नियमों के रूप से बाध्य होकर करने पड़ते हैं उन कार्यों से पहले मस्ट का यूज किया जाता है. फॉर लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन, कानूनी बाध्यता के लिए मस्ट यूज होता है. लीगली ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स एज ए रूल, एज ए लॉ वी हैव टू फॉलो. लाइक द सोल्जर्स मस्ट कीप डिसिप्लिन बिकॉज दिस इज द रूल. द एम्प्लॉयज मस्ट कम इन टाइम. द एम्प्लॉयज मस्ट wear proper dress. The employees must attend the meeting. The citizen of India must obey the law of the country. These are the rules, laws, and as a rule, what we have to do? We have to use must for that. For legal obligation, we use must. Compulsion. Compulsion means anything that is compulsory for us. Like you must go to home, it means it is compulsory. He must take the medicine. He must take medicine means it is a compulsory. He must teach here. He must read the book. He must read the book means it is compulsory for him. Anything that is compulsory. You must choose one subject. You must choose one option. Must choose means it is compulsory. It is mandatory. You have to choose. You must choose only one. Anything that is compulsory action, जो अनिवार्य कार्य है, जो करने अनिवार्य है, उन कार्यों से पहले, उन वर्ब से पहले मस्ट का यूज किया जाता है. Essential. Essential means आवश्यक. That is very essential. That is very needful. जिनकी ज्यादा आवश्यकता है, उन कार्यों से पहले मस्ट का यूज किया जाता है. Like he is very serious ill. He must attend the doctor. He must take medicine. It means he is very serious. तो जो कार्य करने आवश्यक है उनसे पहले मस्ट का यूज किया जाता है. एसेंशियल. मैंडेटरी. मैंडेटरी मीन्स दैट इज वेरी कंपल्सरी. वेरी कंपल्सरी, बहुत ही आवश्यक है. दैट इज द मैंडेटरी. यू हैव टू चूज द पावर प्ले. ही मस्ट टेक द डिसीजन एट द राइट टाइम. मस्ट means it is mandatory, it is necessary. Coercion means बाध्यता. Anything that is forced, we must use a must. Duty, legal duty, and anything that comes under a duty, we have to use a must. As a duty, as an order. Order means आदेश. Like you must improve your handwriting. You must go in school on time. You must stand properly. You must do your duty. anything that is order, we use must before that order, before that verb. There are some examples. The driver must keep license. The driver must keep license. Must keep means it is legal obligation for driver. Driver के लिए legal obligation है. Driver must keep license while driving. Driver को रखना अनिवार्य license. The candidate must attend all questions. The candidate must attend all questions. कैंडिडेट को सभी पर्सन अटेंड करने आवश्यक है. इट इज कंपल्सरी. मस्ट अटेंड, इट मींस इट इज कंपल्सरी टू अटेंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फॉर कैंडिडेट. वी मस्ट ओबे द लॉ ऑफ द कंट्री. मस्ट ओबे मींस इट इज लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन. इट इज कंपल्सरी, इट इज एसेंशियल दैट वी मस्ट ओबे द रूल ऑफ द country, law of the country. The employees must attend the meeting. It is legal duty. It is the duty. Employees must attend. Employees को attend करना चाहिए. Employees must attend the meeting. Employees को meeting attend करना चाहिए. All these actions that are legal duty, legally obligation, compulsory, essential, mandatory. Before that actions we must use must. There are several other examples like the rules. You must walk on the left side of the roads. The passenger must keep ticked while traveling. The driver must not overtake from the right side. Must is also used for strong possibility. Strong possibility means something is going to happen in near future. You are sure that it will happen in near future. Definitely, there is no doubt, there is no chances, there is no suspense that it will not happen. You are sure that it will happen. Sri Ram must be elected as a sarpanch. You are sure. He must pass the exam because he is intelligent. He must buy a car because he is rich. You are sure that it will happen. The lights are on in the room, so there must be someone. You are sure that there must be someone. There are other. He is seriously ill, so he may die. This is chances. But you say he must die. He must die. It means you are sure that it will happen definitely. There are other examples. You may use must. Certainty means there is surety. You are sure that it will happen. Prohibition means you are not allowed, you are denied, you are forbidden. तुम्हें मना किया गया है. You are not allowed. तुम्हें अनुमति नहीं दी गई. Compulsorily you can't do that. अनिवार्य रूप से तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. For prohibition means मनाही. मनाही के लिए we use must not. मनाही के लिए मस्ट नॉट यूज होता है. जैसे यू मस्ट नॉट स्मोक हियर. नो वन मस्ट स्टैंड हियर. यू मस्ट नॉट pluck the flowers. You must not drive here. You must not sit down here. You must not park vehicles here. You must not do that. You must not do this. This is the prohibition. And for prohibition, strong denial, strong forbidden, we use must. Strong forbidden के लिए, मनाही के लिए हम must यूज करते हैं, must not यूज करते हैं. There is other examples. He bought a car. He must be rich. वह धनवान होना चाहिए. He is sure that he must be rich. There must be someone because the light is on. There must be someone, कोई होना चाहिए because the light is on. Must be, you are sure that must be someone. शी पास द एग्जाम सो शी मस्ट बी इंटेलिजेंट, शी मस्ट बी इंटेलिजेंट, वह धनवान होना चाहिए। यू मस्ट नॉट पार्क योर व्हीकल, दिस इज द फॉरबिडन प्रोहिबिशन, मनाइए। यू मस्ट नॉट पार्क योर व्हीकल हियर, तुम्हें यहाँ पार्क नहीं करना चाहिए व्हीकल्स को। थैंक यू।